The rigging department is designed to allow our products to have multiple uses. They'll weave and twist ropes together. They splice parts onto the rope. They will take an unbraided section of it, put an attachment in there, whether it be a hook or a metal fastener, so that you can connect these to other products.
And to work in the rig shop, you really have to be ready to work with your hands. It's a very physical job. You have to be very detail oriented. So if you're a person that likes working with your hands, doing things like sewing, macrame, knitting, those are very transferable skills. You're able to understand the structure of things and how they need to be built to maintain that durability. It can be a very fulfilling job. You're able to see rope come in and go out as an entirely different product. That could be going somewhere to potentially save somebody's life. The fabrication done in the rig shop is something we call splicing. So it's basically taking the end of a rope and looping it back on itself to create an eye. And what they're actually doing is they're opening the rope up and braiding it back onto itself, so that way it maintains that strength and durability.
In rigging, you've got to be spot on. What you make in rigging, someone's life is going to depend on.
You really want to focus on the exact process and structure of that rope to maintain its strength throughout its lifespan. Somebody that's coming into the rig shop really needs to be dedicated to creating a quality product and keep that in mind when inspecting their work. We provide a very good training program in the rig shop. We have several very experienced riggers that have been doing this for upwards of 20 years.
You've got to have a real desire to build that product every day the same way and know you're going to get the same results every time.
Yeah, that's it.
And that's one thing Yale prides itself on, is the consistency of its product.